The spring of 2025 will be etched in the memories of those living in Tennessee and Kentucky as a season of unprecedented floods. What began as heavy rainfall in mid-February quickly escalated into a full-blown catastrophe by early April. Relentless downpours, shattering previous rainfall records, turned rivers and creeks into raging torrents, engulfing homes, businesses, and entire communities. A vast area spanning 1,000 miles across 12 states was placed under flood watches, with the heaviest impact felt in northwestern Tennessee and western Kentucky. The National Weather Service issued dire warnings, describing the situation as generational flooding and issuing a rare level 4 out of 4 risk for flash flooding. This severe weather alert, covering over 5 million people, underscored the gravity of the situation. Hopkinsville, Kentucky, was inundated with over 8 inches of rain, while Nashville, Tennessee, faced over 7 inches, obliterating its daily rain record. Memphis, Tennessee, also experienced record-breaking rainfall, pushing rivers and creeks beyond their limits. The deluge extended its reach beyond Tennessee and Kentucky, impacting parts of Arkansas, Missouri, and even Indiana. Little Rock, Arkansas grappled with severe thunderstorms, enduring heavy rain and wind gusts exceeding 65 miles per hour. Texarkana, straddling the Texas-Arkansas border, received 2 to 4 inches of rain, while parts of Missouri experienced over 3 inches of rainfall in just 90 minutes. With storm totals projected between 5 to 15 inches, and some areas bracing for up to 20 inches, the situation grew increasingly dire. The relentless rainfall, often falling at rates of 2 inches per hour or more, overwhelmed drainage systems and led to widespread flash flooding. Rivers and creeks, unable to contain the massive influx of water, breached their banks, transforming once familiar landscapes into treacherous waterways. The speed and intensity of the flooding caught many off guard, leaving little time for residents to prepare for the impending disaster. The devastating floods left a trail of destruction across Tennessee and Kentucky, impacting both human lives and infrastructure. Tragically, a 9-year-old boy in Frankfort, Kentucky, lost his life to the relentless waters, a grim reminder of the life-altering power of natural disasters. Countless others faced harrowing experiences as their homes were inundated, forcing them to seek refuge on rooftops or higher ground. First responders worked tirelessly around the clock, conducting numerous water rescues across the affected areas. In Hopkinsville, Kentucky alone, emergency crews responded to approximately 12 water rescues, while over a dozen people were rescued from rising floodwaters in Nashville, Tennessee. 6 individuals were pulled to safety in Van Lear, Kentucky, highlighting the widespread need for rescue operations. The floodwaters wreaked havoc on critical infrastructure, crippling transportation networks and essential services. A bridge collapse and train derailment at Mammoth Spring State Park in Missouri underscored the destructive power of the floodwaters. A building crumbled under the onslaught of water in Hopkinsville, Kentucky, while flooded roads and highways became impassable across the region. The Kentucky Parkway, at exit 124, was among the many roadways rendered unusable, severing vital transportation links. The economic toll of the floods was equally devastating, with homes and businesses submerged under feet of muddy water. In Hopkinsville, Kentucky, nearly 60% of the downtown area was underwater, causing significant damage to businesses already grappling with the economic fallout of recent years. Even the iconic Belle Meade Country Club in Nashville, Tennessee, couldn't escape the floodwaters, experiencing significant flooding on its grounds.